Hi, I'm Jacklyn and thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Today this is going to be a barre class and I'm so excited to get this one in the works. So let's get right into it. So we're going to do a simple tendu and dégagé combination, okay? Tendu means to stretch, so you are stretching your foot. Dégagé, you are detaching from the floor. So that's the difference between it. One's going to stay on and one's going to be detaching. Which one is it? Kind of told you the answer. So we're going to go tendu front, close, tendu front, close, tendu side, close, tendu side, close, tendu back, close, tendu back, close, tendu side, close, tendu side, close. Then you're going to do dégagé front, side, back, side, plie, okay? So that combination from the top was 2 tendus front, 2 tendus side, 2 tendus back, 2 tendus side, and dégagé front, side, back, side, okay? Do not forget about your arm when you are doing this combination. Always keep in mind your arm and your body are connected. Make sure your headlights are stretched straight at all times. And you are also pointing your foot, whether it leaves the floor or stays on, and brush the floor. Brush it, brush it, brush it, okay? So let's get right into it. So it's gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, tendu 1, 2, and side 1, 2, and back 1, 2, and then side 1, 2. Dégagé, dégagé, dégagé. Dégagé, dégagé, plie. And finish. Make sure you finish well and you smile when you finish. Your arms are just in a nice low fifth. Let's flip the script to the other side. So the combination again is 2 tendus front, 2 tendus side, 2 tendus back, 2 tendus sides. Dégagé, dégagé, dégagé. Dégagé is at 45 degrees. And you are making sure your supporting leg is straight at all times. And your knees are straight, okay? When you start using your arms, try not to forget about your shoulder and try not to forget, make sure they're nice and strong and they have energy, okay? So we're gonna start it off. 5, 6, 7, 8, tendu 1, 2, 1, 2, and back, 1, 2, and side, 1, 2, and dégagé, boom, 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 plie, and stretch. All right, so now we're gonna bring it back over here. So we're gonna do a second ballet combination. It is just gonna be a simple frappes, and it's gonna be a simple tendu frappe. So it's gonna be like tendus and frappes mashed up together. Now, frappe, when I say frappe, I mean don't get the keys to your car and start going to Starbucks. Stay in ballet class because you'll be making them with your feet. So, what you're going to do is you're going to start in fifth. You're going to do tendu, 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 up. 1, 2, close, okay? When you do your frappe, make sure you are striking the floor with your toes, and it also make sure you do that flex point. Flex, point, okay? So to the side, it's just gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, up, boom, boom, close, okay? Then to the back, it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and go, boom, boom, close. Side we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, and go boom, boom, close. Now you are going to use your arms in this combination, so to the front it'll be like this, to the side, to the back. Now when you go to the front, don't start making a phone call. Keep your shoulders down at all times. Just keep it down, okay? Also, thumb, make sure it's connected to your middle finger. Do not be opening them up because it looks like you're eating hamburgers. And I don't think you should be making a phone call to the hamburger shop and be eating them while you dance. No. Okay, so let's get the ballet bar. So we're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, and go, frappe, frappe, other side. And we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and go, frappe, frappe, to the back. And we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and we go, frappe, frappe, to the side. And we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and we go, frappe, frappe, plie, and finish. Make sure you finish to the side, and yes, we are going to bring it to the other side of the script. Remember, when you are doing your tendus, you are brushing the floor, and tendu means to stretch. Frappe, make sure you guys are striking the floor because that is important. So let's do it to the other side. Don't forget everything else. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, and we go frappe, frappe, to the side. And we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and we go frappe, frappe, to the back. And we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and we go frappe, frappe, to the side. And we 1, 2, 3, 4, and we go frappe, frappe, plie, and stretch. All right, let me go back over here. So thank you so much for coming to my ballet class. I had so much fun with teaching you guys. Come again soon. Don't forget to check out my other videos, check out my series. They have good tutorials, and thank you.